Now let's look at some real world applications of Kubernetes. So it's widely used for deploying microservices architecture, running stateful applications, and handling big data workloads. And troubleshooting and best practices, common issues, performance tuning, and are essential skills for maintaining efficient and reliable Kubernetes cluster. Adhering to best practices will help you design and operate your clusters effectively. Now we'll see a course snippet of deploying a microservice application, and we'll see the front end first and then the back end. So this is the YAML file that I will be creating on the Visual Studio Code, and I will actually go through this markup first before showing everything on Visual Studio Code. App frontend, containers name frontend, image by frontend latest, ports, container port 80. So you can see here it is, the kind is deployment, metadata name frontend, spec replicas 3, and application frontend, template labels, app frontend. So wherever you find it is all frontend. Now this side is the backend, name backend, replicas 3 again, selector match labels, app backend, template metadata labels, app backend, containers name backend, image my backend latest, ports, container port 8080. Alright, so this will come after we have created the microservice deployment.yaml. So let's switch over to Visual Studio Code again. So I will create microservice in the advanced concepts itself, or you can say real world. I can create another file, but this file is already created for me. Advanced concepts, I can create it over here, or pods, or create another folder within a Kubernetes folder. So I choose to create it within the advanced concepts. So this is the real world application. So create this file, new file, and name this microservices deployment. So microservices deployment.yaml is created for me. Okay, here I will paste the code on my clipboard and save it. The same file that I just quickly went through in my last slideshow. And then on this, I'll Control C to exit to the main screen. As a machine name, this is the machine name, this is my username at machine name. Okay, Kaushik name. Now I will apply the microservice deployment.yaml. So kubectl apply again. With the F flag for the file name. So now I will paste the code for kubectl for application applying the microservice microservices deployment.yaml. The path microservices deployment.yaml doesn't exist. Okay, let us see. Oh, this is, I have to change directory. This is on, yeah, Kubernetes advanced concepts, and my present working directory is krc home. So change directory to Kubernetes / this is advanced concepts. Yeah, and then I will apply this command. So deployment front end created, deployment.apps/backend created. So front end as well as the backend deployment has been successfully created. Wow. Now I will see I'll verify the deployments by the now familiar command kubectl, because we have been using these commands, kubectl apply command and kubectl get command very often in the last few lectures. Kubectl get deployments. So front end, back end, front end, KRC Nginx, my Nginx, Nginx deployment. So all are these are all back end, front end, both are up to date. Okay, but they are not available somehow. Okay, get deployments, and we'll see the pods. kubectl get pods. So these are the pods.